Hi guys, my name is Sarthak and today we will be unboxing the Victorinox cybertool 34. So this is the first time I'm opening it. Here goes. Just out of the box it comes with a pamphlet. It's probably instructions, and here is the tool itself, and there's another little piece of paper which I will be viewing later. That's the box. So this is it guys, let's have a closer look at each one of its functions individually. This is it. So we start off with the large blade, and it's stainless steel but it's really sharp. Then there's the small blade, equally sharp. And then we have a pair of pliers. They have wire cutters and wire crimpers. And one of my favorites is this. It's a screwdriver essentially. Locks into two different positions. This, so you can use the levers, or the second position is this. Locks in, so you can use it like this. It also comes with these. Each of these different attachments is reversible, and it has a different bolt on the other side, like this. So you can put it either way. And you can change these. Then we have the magnifying glass. Really powerful. Small but powerful. Then we have this, the torch. The batteries can be replaced here. It's really bright. It's a single LED. Then we have the bottle opener with the standard flat screwdriver, and the can opener with a smaller screwdriver, flathead. Let's move on to the other side. First one on the other side is the corkscrew, and it has this little mini screwdriver that comes with it. You can just put it back in like that. One more feature that took me a while to find was this little pin. This tiny little pin. It fits in here. One of the features which has been there in almost all of the Victorinox knives is the hook, multi-purpose hook, and it's the sewing eye with a reamer and a punch. So this can be used to punch through belts or any other material, and the sewing eye, it's also a reamer. And then we have a toothpick here. It's a plastic toothpick, fits right in. This over here is a pressurized ballpoint pen. It's pressurized, it means that it can write in any angle or at nearly any temperature, so it's basically an astronaut's pen. Fits in there. On the side we have tweezers. And this is it. and this is it. I would surely recommend buying it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video.